Alright you guys, here it is, my finished Overwatch Reaper mask. I printed this, painted, and finished all in 1 week just to show you guys a complete start to finish process in one very quick video. I actually picked this file up over on Simone Fontana's Patreon page. If you're a Patreon subscriber to him, he has different levels of Patreon access that gives you different files that you can go off and print. This file was actually created by his partner in crime, Ricardo Salamo, and it's just a wonderful file to work with. It was very easy to print and assemble and basically get to where I'm at right here. So if you're interested in that, I'll have links down below to both of their social media accounts as well as to Simone's Patreon page. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, make sure to let me know if you're interested in me printing some more Overwatch props. If you didn't already know, I have never actually played Overwatch. Go figure, as big of a gamer as I am, I've just never got around to playing Overwatch. But I do so love the character designs and a lot of the props that I'm seeing made out there today. So let me know. I'd love to add some additional props to my ever-growing collection. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.